This is Helpscreenand this is how to fix ESPN Plus app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of the application. Just search for the ESPN, and from here guys, when they have an update, you should be able to see an update over here, and just make sure the latest version of the app is downloaded on your device. And guys, the second solution, if this solution doesn't work, is just go to the settings, and then from here tap on the apps and go to the ESPN. And then after that guys, make sure to go to the storage and make sure to clear the cache and also clear data. From there, you will be able to fix this issue when you launch the app. But guys, if this doesn't work, let's go to the third solution. So the third solution is try reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application, and after you uninstall it, just go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and install the app again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the ESPN application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.